Hey everybody, it's Abby. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new. Today is going to be Get Ready With Me. I'm going to try to use most of the products that are in my project pan, but we'll see how that goes. I'm going to use the Urban Decay Optical Illusion Primer. Wow, my skin feels a lot better. Like it's not so scaly today. I'm filming this on Valentine's Day, and I just did a mask last night. I have it laying here. It's this Yes to Carrots Vitamin Enriched Kale Mud Mask. I think that was what helped because I exfoliated and everything like normal. That doesn't usually help, so I might be stopping at Target and picking up some more of those masks. I'm going to use the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. So my face feels better, but the foundation is still not laying well. I need to go back to using a sponge because I guess the brush doesn't agree with dry spots. I've just been like really lazy with using sponges because you gotta get up and wet and all that stuff. I'm going to use the Urban Decay Naked Skin Foundation, or concealer. I'm trying to also use up the stuff that I'm not going to be like focusing on my channel anymore. Like this, the Urban Decay and Too Faced, because they're owned by non-cruelty free parent companies. So I kind of have like an unspoken project pan with those. Trying to use up this NYX powder for the same reason. So I'm going to use that all over my face instead of my Physicians Formula one. And then I have some new products from Wet n Wild. I think I might have showed some of these already, but I have their stick concealer and then the stick contour, which is more of a bronzer color for me. And I didn't do the concealer today because I don't actually really like the concealer that much. So, I mean it's okay, but I would prefer like a more liquid type. But I'm going to go in with the bronzery one. I found out the hard way yesterday that this gets real dark real quick, so I have to be careful. And it is a cream to powder, so it's not going to mess up anything. Then for bronzer, I'm going to use this e.l.f. Blush and bronzer duo thing. It was in my forgotten makeup, so I'm going to use it today. Or my forgotten makeup video that I posted, so by the time you're seeing this, would have been last week. I want to use this blush too, because why not? I don't have another one. It's in a project or anything. And then for highlighter, I have this one from Wet n Wild. It is the highlighter in When the Nude Strikes, and it's just the stick form. I tried it swiping it on, then I also tried applying it directly to the brush. I think it looks better when I just swipe it on, so I'll do that. I'm going to use my famous small stipple brush. I kept this for a while. I haven't had any cream products in a while, so I just kind of kept this around and thought I did because now I can use it with that. Highlighter is pretty amazing. I don't know if it's going to pick up on camera because the lighting outside is really bad. Like it's about to rain or it's raining or something, I can't tell. And I'm going to do my brows off camera and then I'll be right back. So I did my brows with the NYX Micro Brow Pencil that I'm also trying to use up. And now I'm going to prime my lids with, can you guess, the Milani Eyeshadow Primer. I'm going to go pretty simple on the eyes, so I'm going to take this Kat Von D Ladybird palette that's in my project pan, and then I'm going to use the, what's the shade called? I forgot. Harlow. It's like a light brown. I don't want to show you the palette because then I'll spoil the project pan update. So I was in Target the day before yesterday, and I needed some hand soap, and the hand soap is in the same aisle as the deodorant and the shaving cream and stuff. I don't know why. But I was walking through there, and I just kind of looked over at the razors and stuff, and somebody had left a bikini laying on the shelf next to the women's razors. I should have got a picture, but there was a guy standing there. I thought that'd be kind of weird. But I was like, girl, I feel you. I would rather not wear a bikini than have to shave. I just thought that was really funny. I don't know. And I'm going to take this neglected pencil. This is the Milani Shadow Eyes in Cafe au Lait. And then I'm going to draw on kind of a smoky eye thing. And I do have a video on how I do a smoky eye with a pencil, so I will try to link that below if I can remember by the time that this gets uploaded. Uh-oh, we have a casualty. I need to find some super glue and fix that. All my e.l.f. brushes have done that. They just kind of come apart like that, but you can just glue it back. Okay, so I put that pencil under my lower lash line too. I just couldn't show that because I needed both hands to like hold my eye down, and you know. Alright, so I'm done with that pencil, and I think I'm going to take a little bit of the dark brown out of this Kat Von D palette and put that in the outer crease area, just to kind of deepen it up a little bit. Now I'm going into my Shin XO palette that I am also panning, and I'm going to take the shade Beach Babe, it's the one in the middle, that bronzy color, and I'll put that on the lid. I want to take the shade Holy Grail, which is right above that, the light shimmery color, and put that in the inner corner. And I'm going to take that light cream shade and put that on the brow bone. Voila, you've got a quick brown smoky eye. Took maybe 5 minutes, probably less. I'm not going to wear lashes again. Last video I filmed I did lashes and I wore them all day. Not again. So I'm gonna do my mascara real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, mascara is on, eyes are done, face is done. Alright, and then for lips, the lipstick in my project pan is the Pacifica Power of Love lipstick in Compassion Passion, so I will put that on. When somebody before asked me what I thought about these Pacifica lipsticks, I'm not a cream lipstick kind of person, so, I mean, they're good for, like, cream lipstick. I just much prefer, like, the matte liquid lipsticks that don't go anywhere. But these are really nice, so they are really hydrating, and the color selection, not the greatest. Oh, I just realized I screwed up. Like, they're mostly, like, pinks and reds, and some slightly nude. But, I mean, they are, like, they feel like pretty much like a chapstick when you're wearing them, but they don't wear off as fast as, like, a lip balm or chapstick or something. So, if you can find a color that you like, I would say go for it if you like cream-type lipsticks, but I don't personally, so, yeah. Alright, so that was it for this video. I want to go film a few more. And let me know what you thought, if you want to try any of these products or whatever in the comments. Just let me know, and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.